नमस्कार. जागतिक पर्यावरण दिनाच्या आपणा सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. दरवर्षी जागतिक पर्यावरण दिन आपण वृक्षारोपणाने साजरा करत असतो. ह्या वर्षीही आमचे के.आर. कोतकर विद्यालयाचे विद्यार्थी जे आहेत ते जागतिक पर्यावरण दिन वृक्षारोपणानेच साजरा करणार आहेत. पण ते वृक्षारोपण जे आहे ते घरात करणार आहे. ते कशा पद्धतीचे? तर सध्या संपूर्ण जगाला कोविड-19 या महामारीने भेडसावले. किंबहुना ही महामारी जगासाठी तापदायक ठरली आणि ह्याच महामारीच्या काळात ऑक्सिजनचं महत्त्व काय हे आपल्याला पटले. ऑक्सिजन आपणा सर्वांसाठी किती अमूल्य आहे त्याचं महत्त्व आपल्याला पटले आणि म्हणूनच आपल्या घरातलं वातावरण ऑक्सिजनमय असावं किंवा घरातलं वातावरण ऑक्सिजनमुळे शुद्ध व्हावं आणि ते ऑक्सिजन, तो जो ऑक्सिजन आहे तो ऑक्सिजन आपल्या फुफ्फुसांना जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात त्या ऑक्सिजनचा पुरवठा व्हावा यासाठी आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी के.आर. कोतकर महाविद्यालयातले विद्यार्थी घेऊन येत आहेत एक अभिनव उपक्रम. तो उपक्रम असा आहे की घरातच जे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे झाडं आहेत किंवा वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची अशी छोटी झुडपं आहेत, वृक्ष आहेत की ते आपण घरात लावू शकतो आणि आपल्या घरातल्या वातावरणाची शुद्धी ऑक्सिजनमुळे होऊ शकते. किंबहुना ती झाडं जी आहेत ती भरपूर प्रमाणात ऑक्सिजन देतात. तर अशी कोणकोणती झाडं आहेत जी आपण घरात लावू शकतो आणि जेणेकरून आपल्या घरातल्या वातावरणाची शुद्धी होऊ शकते ते आपणास कळेल. आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी जो उपक्रम केला आहे आणि त्यांनी जे व्हिडिओ शेअर केलेत त्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला कळणारच आहे. पण असे नवनवीन उपक्रम करण्यासाठी आमच्या प्रिन्सिपल मॅम संगीता पाखले आम्हाला नेहमीच प्रोत्साहन देत असतात आणि आतासुद्धा या उपक्रमासाठी ते विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रोत्साहन देत आहेत आपल्या शब्दसुमनाने.
नमस्कार. सर्वांना जागतिक पर्यावरण दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आमच्या के.आर. कोतकर माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयाच्या इयत्ता 12वी सायन्सच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी जागतिक पर्यावरण दिनानिमित्त एक अभिनव उपक्रम हाती घेतला आहे आणि तो उपक्रम म्हणजे सर्वांनी आपापल्या घराच्या बाल्कनी वातावरणात ऑक्सिजनची पातळी वाढवणाऱ्या वनस्पतींचा, छोट्या छोट्या वनस्पतींचा शोध घ्यायचा आणि तो आपल्या घराच्या बाल्कनीत त्या वनस्पती लावायच्या. मग अशा वनस्पती म्हणजे तुळशी आहे, पुदिना आहे, बांबू आहे, कोरफड आहे आणि अशा अनेक वनस्पती आहेत की त्या आपल्या ऑक्सिजनची, वातावरणातल्या ऑक्सिजनची लेवल वाढवतात आणि वातावरण जे काही आहे पर्यावरणीय वातावरण हे शुद्ध ठेवण्यास मदत करतात आणि आपल्यालाही त्याचा खूप उपयोग होऊ शकतो. तुळशी, पुदिना, कोरफड यासारख्या वनस्पती तर आपल्या आरोग्यासाठी अत्यंत उत्तम आहेत, ज्याचा लाभ आपण आता कोरोनाच्या काळामध्ये आपल्याला त्याचा खूपच महत्त्व पटलेलं आहे. आणि म्हणून सर्वांनी आपल्या घराच्या बाल्कनीमध्ये प्रत्येकाने तुळशी, पुदिना, कोरफड अवश्य लावा आणि वातावरण प्रसन्न ठेवा. घराचंही वातावरण प्रसन्न ठेवा, पर्यावरणही जपा. सर्वांनी पर्यावरणाचं जतन करा आणि पुनश्च एकदा सर्वांना पर्यावरण दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi, 12th Science. Today is World Environmental Day, so today I planted a sansevieria plant, snake plant. This plant helps to convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen even at the night time. This plant filter the indoor air and the plant the good effect on the any allergy. That's the benefit of that plant. So everyone planted one plant even at a home and take care of that. So protection of the environment and protection of the society. Thank you.
And my plant name is Karate. The scientific name of the Karate is Moria koniki. Moria koniki was chosen to celebrate botanist scientist of John Grahart Koniki, who worked for long time in India. It is found mostly in hot climates and it a native plant of India. The leaves of the Karate are called curry leaves of the sweet neem leaves. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shazma Sheikh of 12th standard from K.R. Kotkar College and we have decided to plant a tree on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June. I have decided to plant holy basil, which means tulsi. Tulsi is one of the best air purifier in the world, and it is an excellent oxygen generator in our world. So, everyone should plant a tree every year on World Environment Day. Wishing you all a happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Icha Ganesh Damogade and my plant name is Dianthus. This is an indoor plant. This plant improves the quality of indoor air and also supply a large amount of oxygen. Thank you.
My name is Rohan Patangi. I am from 12th Science. I have chosen aloe vera plant for my today's topic. This is an aloe vera plant. The botanical name of aloe vera is Aloe barbadensis miller. The aloe vera plant gives maximum amount of oxygen and can grow in minimum amount of water. It can be kept inside our home and obviously outside too. And this is all about aloe vera. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Ms. Nupur Mahadik from Standard 12 and today I am going to speak about Valeriana bellati, which is also known as Tagar in India. Tagar root helps in reducing anxiety and improving sleep as it relaxes the central nervous system and it contains sedative and anxiolytic properties. It also as pain possesses the antispasmodic and analgesic properties.
My name is Ruday Dattatreya Lobe, 12th Science. Happy Environment Day celebrating at home due to COVID conditions. Here is money plants. It's purify air, reduce stress, act as an anti-radiator, offer health, keeps material problems away, bring prosperity and good luck, mends broken relationship, spread positivity.
Shweta Suryakant Sharnatri, and today is the Environment Day, so I have planted the lemon tree.
Hello everyone, I am Shravani Damai, 11th Science student, and this is aloe vera plant. Common name of this plant is aloe vera and botanical name of this plant is Barbadensis miller. This belongs to family Asphodelaceae and it has properties like antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, anti-inflammatory. It also has a medical benefits and it helps to purifying the air by removing benzene and formaldehyde from the air, and it releases oxygen at night. It is an excellent plant for indoor, and let's begin to make environment fresh and happy environment day.
I am planting aloe vera tree. What's great about this plant is that it is emitting oxygen at night time while simultaneously taking in carbon dioxide. Sometimes we naturally provide when breathing. All this lead to a purity quickly of air and a better night sleep. Thank you.
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी राम है। मेरे कॉलेज का नाम KR कोटकर है। पर्यावरण दिवस हर साल पूरे विश्व में 5 जून को मनाया जाता है। 5 जून 1974 को पहली बार पर्यावरण दिवस मनाया गया था। पर्यावरण दिवस वातावरण को शुद्ध करने के लिए मनाया जाता है।
I am Sanju Surenshi from KR Kotkal College. I have planted aloe vera tree on the occasion of Environmental Day. It has many benefits. It gives high amount of oxygen than other regular plants. It is also beneficial for our skin. Thank you.
It's a neem tree. It's clean the atmosphere air around and also help with air purification. The plant also supply oxygen even during 24 hours. Neem tree are known to be natural air filter that trap dust particle and absorb gaseously and provide to oxygen in air. Thank you.
Prathamesh Dule from KR Kotkal College. I have planted bamboo plant. It grows faster than the other plants. It gives oxygen 20 hours a day. Thank you.
My name is Nidhi Ajay Kumar Mishra. I am celebrating Environment Day by planting this plant. This plant common name is snake plant and its scientific name is Dreghena typhaceata. This is called snake plant because of the shape of the leaves and the margin of the leaves. It produces oxygen in more quantity. I want to wish all of you a happy environment.
My name is Sakshi Darange. Today's Environment Day, so I am
I am plant basis means tulas.
My name is Muslim Kailash. I am planting holly basil. COVID-19 is currently rampant in India and around the world. Oxygen deficiency is causing the death of many patients. Plants are considered to be the best and only source of oxygen on earth. According to botany-based releases 20 hours of oxygen and 4 hours of carbon dioxide a day. Thank you.
Happy Environment Day. Myself, Tushar Yadav, my college, K.R. Kotkar, arrangement the function related to Environment Day. Due to that, I have planted the money plant which helps to increase the oxygen level around me and my family. This not only increase the oxygen level but also it requires the less amount of water and sunlight. As usual, we know we are wearing a mask, maintaining a social distance, and using a sanitizer. But this also will help you to fight against the coronavirus. So be safe and take care and be at home. Thank you very much.
First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kumut Madan Shezu. I am from 12th Science. Today, I will give a short speech on the topic of oxygen plant, which plant that give oxygen to all of our living things. First plant is snake plant. Snake plant purify air by absorbing toxins from leaves and produce a pure oxygen in all our surroundings. Plant is also known as the mother-in-law. Snake plant remove harmful chemical from the air. My second plant is tulsi. Tulsi is used in various types of treatment such as skin diseases, respiratory, blackheads, fevers, cough, and etc. Antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, this all protects us from the all other types of infection. A third plant is people plant.
Shweta Surekan Shanatri, and today is the Environment Day. So I have planted the lemon tree.
Hi everyone, my name is Rohini Rode. Tree name money plant. Money plants continues to produce oxygen at night, unlike other plants that produce carbon dioxide.
I'm Tejas Sanav, studying in K.R. Kotkar Junior College 12th Science. We are all celebrated the International Environment Day. I planted the Tulsi plant in my home. I am tell you the benefits of Tulsi tree. Tulsi plant. Tulsi gives us oxygen 20 of 24 hours in a day, as well as ozone for 4 hours in a day. Tulsi also absorbs the harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. The scientific name of Tulsi is holly basil. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aparna Manoj Nikumbar. The COVID-19 pandemic situation, we need to increase number of tree plantation. That's why we are trying to help the save the environment and tree. I have a plant of Tulsi. Tulsi common name is holly basil. Scientific name is Ocimum teniflorum. Tulsi benefit is Tulsi tree he give us 24 hours fresh. Tulsi rich vitamin E, vitamin C and zinc. Tulsi leaves you bacterial and fungal disease. Grow tree, save a tree. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sanjana Nikumba. Nowadays we need to increase the number of tree plantation. I have planted a lemon tree. Scientific name is lemon. Some benefits of lemon tree: boosting red blood cells levels, relieving anxiety, boosting oral health, relieving pain. So grow tree, save a tree. Thank you.
Happy Environmental Day. Myself Rahul Gupta. My college KR Kotkar Junior College. This is money plant. Money plant take less amount of water and sunlight. It's increase the oxygen level.